not sweet. It's just right. It's just right. It's not sweet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Yah-tah lifestyle. It has been a while. I have not done a long form video, but in today's video I'm gonna make banana bread. Quick and easy banana bread. No additive, no added sugar. So basically it's not gonna be your typical sweet banana bread, but it's gonna taste real good because I'm gonna add. Just come with me and see what I'm gonna do. So first of all, I put the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's do the mixture. So first of all, I'm gonna use 3 bananas. So I'm gonna use the blender rather than having to do everything with my hand. If you have a food processor, that would be good as well. I've already washed my hands. Eggs, 2 cups of oats, so this I'm using instead of flour, so I'm not going to use flour. 2 cups of oats, 1 teaspoon baking soda. If you have baking soda, I'm using baking powder. A pinch of salt, maybe less than half a teaspoon of salt, because you don't need a lot of salt. I don't need a lot of salt. Using honey as my sweetener. So instead of sugar, I use honey, and instead of flour, I use oat. And this is 1/4 cup of honey. One teaspoon vanilla. I'm using our natural Jamaican vanilla. Then half a teaspoon cinnamon. Spice nutmeg. I'm just gonna do like a 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, not much. You may be wondering how would I know it's 1/4 teaspoon? Just a little nutmeg. Maybe that, yeah, that about 1/4. Now I'm gonna blend everything together. You might want to push the side down, scrape the side down. Make sure everything is butter, whatever you have. But I think I want to use butter. I'm going to use butter to grease the pan. Fat that is going to be in it, added fat. And if you're like me and you like nuts, I have half cup of walnut, and I'm going to dump it in here. I don't want it to blend, I just want it to mix. And that's it. I'm hoping that everything mixed out. But the nuts are optional. You don't have to put any nuts in here if you don't like nuts. But because I love nuts, I love nuts. I love peanut, almond, all the nuts that you can think of. And this, you're gonna bake for about 40 minutes. Yeah, this is gonna bake for about 40 minutes. Was already set. The oven is already set to 350 degrees, so I'm just gonna put it in. Oops. So the reason why it's breaking is because it's too hot. Leave it to cool for about 20 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, and it will be good to go. But I just can't wait for it to cool. So guys, my oatmeal banana bread. It's real. See? Let it cool for 20 minutes before cutting it. I just couldn't wait to cut it, and that's why it's breaking. But it's really good. Definitely, I'm going on the road, and I didn't want to do another video when I come back, because I won't be coming back until night. But it's good. It's not sweet. It's just right. It's just right. It's not sweet.